This is the General Journal on the General Journal in Ecuador. Think of it as your company's financial diary, but, one where you absolutely can't skip pages, alter dates, or fake entries, because it's the absolute truth for the government's tax authorities. First, let's look at the rules of the record. The journal runs on double-entry bookkeeping. It's kind of like Newton's third law, right? Every financial action has an equal and opposite reaction. Crucially, in Ecuador, it must be strictly chronological, and every entry has to be digitally linked to an electronic invoice authorization number from the SRI, the Internal Revenue Service. So why tie it directly to the SRI? Well, to prove you can't just make numbers up out of thin air. Second, let's break down the anatomy of an entry. Every single record demands the exact date, debtor and creditor accounts, the numerical values, and a glossa, basically a brief summary explaining the transaction's purpose. And companies can't just invent account names. We've got to use a regulated chart of accounts. It's a primitive but absolutely brilliant anti-fraud mechanism. If your debits and credits don't perfectly match, the accounting system literally locks up and blocks you from moving forward. Finally, let's talk about the legal weight. See, the journal isn't just for internal math. It's an indispensable prerequisite for the general ledger, since you can't group balances without it. In the real world, whether it's a labor lawsuit, a messy partner dispute, or a terrifying SRI tax audit, this mathematically sound document is the irrefutable proof of a company's true economic reality. Ultimately, the General Journal is the mathematical and legal backbone of business in Ecuador, turning daily economic actions into an unbreakable digital record.